students, welcome back in our science online class. Today we are going to see the next part of our lesson, that is fiber and water. In previous video, already we have learned about the different components of our food like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Along with these components, our body required fiber and water also. These two parts, fiber and water, they do not provide any nutrients to our body, even though they play very important role in our body. So today we will see the fiber and water and their importance. So fiber is also called roughage. Okay, fiber is also called roughage. The fiber and roughage in our diet is not digested and does not provide any nourishment. So this roughage in our diet not digested and does not provide any nutrients to our body. However, it is very important part of our diet. So how it is very important? So one thing I will tell you, this roughage helps in the removal of undigested food from our body. So this is the first importance of roughage. So what is the importance of roughage? Roughage helps in the removal of undigested food from the body. Then see that one point, it helps other food passes easily through the digestive system. It helps in the smooth excretion of waste from the body by the preventing constipation. Constipation is just cobs. Okay. So it helps in the smoothly removal of the waste from our body. High fiber diet may also maintain the proper weight. Fiber comes from the parts of plants-based food that our body cannot digest. It present in many fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, corn. So these are the sources of roughage. What are the sources of roughage? Fruits, vegetables, whole grains and legumes. So just to keep in mind this thing, that roughage does not provide any nutrients, even though they are very important in our body. So what is the function of roughage? It helps in the removal of the undigested food from our body. And sources of roughage: fruits, vegetables, whole grains and legumes. So this is the small information about the roughage or fiber. Now we will go for the next part, that is the water. Water is very essential for our body functions and for life also. Without food we can survive for some days, but without water we cannot survive, because water plays very important in our life. Or water is also called life. Yes or no? So it makes up more than half of our body weight, near about 60 to 70% water present in our body. The water play very important vital. Many vital body processes depend on the water. Whatever the important process are there, like digestion, is not also circulation. That process are in that process water play very important role. For example, blood, which contains a lot of water, carries oxygen to all the cells of the body. Without oxygen, those tiny cells will die and their body will stop the functioning. See, so our blood consists of water, and this blood carry the oxygen towards the cells. And if the blood If here carries the oxygen to all these cells of the body. Without oxygen, cells will die and even the body stops the function. So by this example we can understand how the water is very important. Second thing, water play very important role in the digestion of food also. Next thing, water plays very important role to maintain our body temperature also. Water is also useful to remove the waste material from the body like sweat and urine. Next thing, water also helps in the digestion and elimination of water, that is called urine. Okay, and sweat also. Next thing, we don't get water only from drinking water. You may think that only we get water, that which one we drink. No, there are some vegetables, there are some fruits. Okay, there are some liquids. If we drink that, if we use that, so we get the water. So any fluid we drink consists of water, but the water and milk are the best choices. Some fruits like watermelon, pomegranate, this fruit contains the water. Even some vegetables also are there. Pineapples. Okay, these are the fruits. Pineapples, strawberries, plums, oranges, cabbage. These are the vegetables. Spinach and turnip contains a lot of water. And this water, okay, is very useful to our body. Drinking 6 to 8 glasses of water every day is healthy habit. Okay, so if you drink water every day 6 to 8 glass, it is good for your health. Even though in summer you have to increase the quantity of water to keep your body cool. Yes or no? So I hope you understood the importance of water and rough age. Remaining part we'll see in our next video.